Before I install it now, let me just get a weight on it. What's up guys, today I'll be changing out the El Cheapo knobs on the Shimano Stradic and the Shimano Vanford with the aftermarket GOMEXUS knobs. So I'll show you that, but before we get into that, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, because at 1000 subscribers I'll be giving away this brand new Daiwa Fuego LT4000 spinning reel. So we'll be doing the Stradic first. So the first thing you need to do is take this cap off. Then you're gonna remove the one screw that's in there. And gently take everything out. Place it to the side. So for this, they recommend using one washer, then one ball bearing, and the next step, you can just unscrew the cap from the knob. Before I install the knob, let me just get a weight on it. So the GOMEXUS is 21 grams and the old Shimano knob is 8 grams. That's without the trim piece, the cap actually, sorry. So let me see with the cap on, it's 9.4. So if weight matters to you, then the GOMEXUS will be a little heavier. So after installing the washer and the bearing, you unscrew the cap. Install this here. Then you can take the other bearing and put it over it. Just get it seated in there like that. And I'll be using back the old screw, the original screw that came with the knob. You draw this down tightly. Then the next step, you're going to check if you have any play here. And as you can see, there is absolutely no play. Then you just screw on back the top and the cover. And this is very comfortable. It's better feeling than the El Cheapo that Shimano sends. So let me do the Vanford next. So the same thing. Take that off. Unscrew this. Still. Ah, this is where the extra bearing came from for the Vanford. In the Stradic, the bottom is just a bushing, and for the Vanford, it's a bearing. So I'll take all of that out. Where is that there? So it's gonna be same thing like the Stradic. First thing you're gonna place the washer, then we're gonna place the bearing, and we're gonna unscrew the cap. Install that. Take the other bearing. Get it seated in there. Then I'm going to use the original screw. Draw this down securely. Check for play. As you can see, there is no play. Screw on back the cap. Install. And as you can see, let me get this up this way. This damn thing. As you could see, this knob matches the Vanford beautifully. So that's it, and remember, if you're changing out yours, it's just one washer at the bottom, the bearing, then the body of the knob, then the other bearing on top, and then you screw, and it should be perfect. There is no play. So thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy and take care.